everyone, it's Julianne here with a Trinity product close-up for the June 2020 second birthday celebration release. This is the brand new Make-A-Wish stamp set as well as the coordinating dies. The stamp set features 3 stamps, including the stamp with this cute little gnome with his baker's hat, his favorite utensils in his pocket, as well as that delicious looking cake that he's carrying. This stamp set also includes 2 sentiments, Make a Wish, as well as You Bake Everything Better. The coordinating die set includes 5 separate dies, 1 to cut out the little gnome, as well as 4 others to cut out the sentiments that are included in this stamp set. So you can see here that I've stamped him all out, as well as using the coordinating dies. I just love this adorable little gnome. He has his oven mitt as his hat, and he's carrying around all his favorite utensils in his pocket. And there's even a cute little mushroom in there, of course. There are just a bunch of different possibilities when it comes to this stamp and die set. You could, of course, use them for any type of birthdays, maybe even a get well card, or really just any type of celebration. For my card today, I decided to create a slimline birthday theme card where I stamped and colored him in using some Copic markers down at the bottom. And then I've added in some balloons as well as some confetti at the top. And I've also stamped out the Make-A-Wish sentiment that comes in this stamp set and popped it up using some foam adhesive. Here is even more great inspiration from the rest of the design team using the brand new Make-A-Wish stamps as well as the coordinating dies. Make sure that you check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Instagram, and our Facebook group for even more inspiration as well. And make sure you click that like and subscribe button down below for even further design team inspiration. And I hope you have a wonderful day and happy crafting!